We are changing a veteran's life, rehabilitating homeless veterans to put them in a 6-month program, get them back on their feet, get them a job, get them housing. I know what it's like to be a veteran to transition back in the civilian world, and we're in the car business. This is what we can do. Especially in a town like this, there's not public transportation. You need a way to get around, to get to work, get a job, visit your family. It's your freedom. It's incredibly important.
But I do have something to say. We're going to get a lot of stuff done.
Congratulations.
Thank you. They helped me in a lot of ways, with housing, with clothes, with food to eat.
Mr. Emmet, sir.
Yes, sir.
On behalf of Walsh Garage, Fine Line Automotive, and Napa Auto Parts, I am so happy to present this gift to you today. Been down your road, man. I know what it's like.
Thank you.
I hope this helps.
Yes, sir. I do.
Thank you so much for your service.
All right, Mr. Emmet.
Yeah.
They don't give you a handbook and say, hey, when you get out, this is what's going to happen. These are the benefits available to you. You get lost real quick. I know what it takes to successfully transition back into civilian life. And it's hard. It is really hard.
They take me in the right direction, so I'm happy.
I found an organization that I truly believe is doing good. It fills my heart to be able to help give back.